Hello everyone, welcome to Make Gaming Easy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off notifications of Uno. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, go to Settings application. Scroll down your screen and click on Apps option. Go to Manage Apps. In the search bar, type in Uno. Click on the notifications option, and here you'll just have to turn off the button of show notifications. And that is how you can turn off notifications of Uno. Thank you for watching Make Gaming Easy. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.